EvacuSlider rescue sheets are a contemporary version of the traditional rescue sleds that have been used in hospitals and care homes to slide patients to a place of safety during an evacuation for many years. Begin by removing the EvacuSlider from its storage bag. Place it on the ground, unfold it, and unfasten the quick-release straps, head support, and foot pocket. Position the person on the slider according to your personal emergency evacuation plan. Place the person's feet into the foot pocket. Fasten the quick-release straps, and if using the Premium Adjustable Slider or Premium Plus slider, ensure the person's head is secured if necessary. Transfer the person along the exit route using the recommended 2 operators at the head end of the EvacuSlider. Once at the stairs, reposition so that one person is holding the straps at the head and one person is holding the straps at the foot. Pull the slider feet first towards the stairs, keeping the person level until their hips are past the first step, then lower them gently onto the stairs. Maneuver the slider slowly and confidently down the stairs. Once on the stair landing, lower the EvacuSlider into the static position and prepare for the next flight of stairs. When you get to the ground floor, continue to the final exit. To return the slider to storage, fasten the quick-release straps and fold the slider. It is recommended you wipe the base with a silicone spray first. Close the storage bag and return to its storage location.